And welcome back. So, taking a look at our tower cam time lapse, we did have mostly cloudy skies through most of the day, just a few peaks of sun here and there, but we also did stay mainly dry through the entire day. So, this is our second day in a row. We did have a good amount of cloud cover across the region. The clouds did get temperatures to only highs near 80 degrees in most places for the second day in a row. Also, that easterly wind did produce a little bit more humidity, which kept the temperatures down. High temperatures today at 79 Broken Bow, Lexington, 77 Imperial, 84 at Ogallala, and lower 80s at Thedford and at North Platte. The warm spot was Valentine. High temperature today of 88 degrees. Here's a look at the temperatures across the region. 72 right now in North Platte. The coolest air off to the south into the mid-60s. Lexington, Imperial, upper 60s at Broken Bow, and lower 70s as you make your way off to the north of that. Now, the wind speeds mainly from a southerly direction. Winds between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Some higher gusts out there, especially as you make your way into the sandhills. That southerly wind will continue to warm us up pretty nicely as we go over the next few days. So, partly cloudy to mostly clear skies for most of the viewing area. Mostly cloudy skies as you make your way off to the north of the Triad area, approaching Valentine, but we are staying dry. All the moisture across the region is just off to the west of Scottsbluff and the west of Torrington, Wyoming, and that is basically it. We have some storms on the northern fringe of this low pressure system. This high has been off to our north, the low to our south, giving us that easterly wind that produces moisture. That trend is going to change as we go through time. Another high pressure system is going to work its way in. It's barely going to have a cool sector because as it moves off to the east, we have a lot of sunshine out there and a strong southerly flow that will set up as we progress through the weekend and start next week. So with the sunshine, that southerly wind, we will really start to warm up with several more days back into the 90s, and a couple more could be over 100 degrees. So the only moisture is well off to our west into the Wyoming portion of our viewing area, but that is basically it. As we make our way through later on tomorrow, late afternoon or early evening, could be some pop-up thunderstorms from western Cherry County into the Panhandle, but most of us really staying dry. We're going to do the same thing for the day on Sunday, starting off with a good amount of sunshine. In the daytime heat, late afternoon, early evening, central Nebraska has a chance of some just pop-up thunderstorms. Only put the chance of around 10% because most of us are going to keep mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Take a look at the temperature outlook. This is for approaching the second week of August, and it looks like the core of the really warm air is going to move off to the east, but it looks like we're still going to have above average temperatures. Temperatures into the mid to upper 90s should be common as we go through the second week of August, and it should be mainly dry. We do have that 33 to even maybe as high as 50% chance of being below average in terms of precipitation, but with these moving off to the east, it looks like we could tap into more moisture as we go into mid-August. So we're really going to feel it's really going to feel like summer for the first week, but we're going to see what the middle of the month looks like. Now, we definitely do need the moisture because we do have the drought monitor showing that most of us are in a severe or even extreme drought in our far southern and western counties. Here's a look at your forecast for the night tonight. Partly cloudy. Temperatures falling into the upper 50s and lower 60s. Sunny skies and warmer tomorrow. We should make it into the upper 80s in North Platte, out toward Broken Bow and Lexington into the lower 80s, and mostly sunny and hot for the day on Sunday with mid to upper 90s, but we are staying mainly dry. Monday, sunny skies, a high of 98 again, then 103 on Tuesday. That's our warmest day. Still a lot of sunshine. Wednesday and Thursday, partly cloudy. Another chance of some showers and thunderstorms, mainly into the afternoon and evening, mid to upper 90s, and staying into the upper 90s. Pretty hot for this time of year. Mostly sunny skies for Friday. Melanie?
We definitely have some summer left on the schedule.
Yeah, definitely going to feel like it, especially the first part of next week.
All right, thank you, Justin. In Kearney, speaking of summer, the summer sidewalk sales are happening starting tonight and continuing throughout the weekend. Downtown on the Bricks, there are several businesses participating, like Paint Paradise, Kate's Boutique, and Botanicals, the Rustic Patch, and many more. And once you're done at the sidewalk sales, you'll have more than a month to prepare for this year's annual Junk Street event in downtown.